Hi, I'm Greg Matthews with Sierra Pacific Windows, and today's topic is how to replace the sash on a sliding window. Okay, some of the reasons why you may need to remove the sash on a sliding window is either the roller may be dirty or need to be replaced or adjusted. It could be a damaged sash, broken, whatever, but I'm going to show you the steps that it takes to actually remove it. Okay, so the tools you're going to need to do this is a Phillips head, manual Phillips head screwdriver, or a number 2 cordless drill, a pry bar, and a 6-in-1 tool. So you start from the edge and work it. Set that aside. Open the sash to expose both screws. Now, this is a display model that I'm using to show this. Normally, you'd have a longer screw in the center that would go into your rough opening to secure the stop for force entry, which is one of the testings we do on our units for certification. Okay. Now, this is key. You have a little rib that sticks up right here. This rib right here will interfere with the stop being removed. So you take a mini pry bar and pry it towards the sash that way, so then it can release. And then just work it out. The sash back to center, lift it up, and then pry it off. Oh, the whole frame's open. There you go. The weather stripping on the bottom, you need to make sure it doesn't get captured on the track, otherwise it will create excessive friction. And once the window's installed, it's hard to get it loose. So you want to make sure it's all the way over or seated on the other side before you reattach the stops on the head. Okay, so here we go. So just reverse, lift up into the head, slide that on, confirm, a little wiggle back and forth and visual that the weather stripping is on the opposite side of the track down here and not kinked. Slide the sash all the way open. Insert the stop up into the track on the top. So now you slide the stop all the way against the side jamb, and it's right on top of the fin. And now you can start reinstalling your screws. Then you put the sash in the closed position, install the stop on the opposite side. Reinsert the screws. Put the inside stop on, and if you notice there's a chamfer on the one edge, that goes towards the sash. Reinstall the interior stop over the spline, press it in place. And you're done. Thank you for watching our video. And for additional information and resources, please visit our website.